Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. My name is Cynthia Maynard, and I'm going to apologize again for my voice because this sickness is just stuck with me. Anyways, today I have an oil pastel painting of this sort of desert landscape. In a little bit here I'll pop up the reference photo that I was using, something a little different for me, but I felt like using sort of a starry night, not as in the painting, but like a starry night on the desert kind of a thing, was kind of what I had in my head there. So just kind of dividing the paper in half, taping it off with washi tape there, and then just sort of starting to block in color and keeping with the sort of earthy tones and blues on this one. What have I got here? Art Echo, some Paul Rubin, and some Mungio is still what I have on my desk. And also the Sennelier iridescence set, which I absolutely love. Gives us there's our photo there, but some sort of shiny stars at the end of the painting that you'll see there. And if you could hit the links below, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That is a big help to my channel to push videos out. And yeah, pretty much that's what's going on here. Trying to get the right balance of blending and so forth. And I have a set of these Paul Rubin whites that I use to kind of help blend sometimes, even if you don't want white. But anyway, I like how it turned out. It didn't turn out exactly like the picture, but it was had the feel of it. And anyway, I had fun painting it. Hopefully this will inspire you to get down into your art supplies there and have some fun. I'm going to put on some music so you don't have to listen to my voice anymore, and enjoy the rest of the video.